Welcome to Tribe Topper. So we have a question that coefficient of static friction between tires of the car of mass 1100 kg and dry asphalt is 0.70. So what will be the maximum speed with which a car can take a circular turn of radius 95 meters? Now, what is the maximum frictional force that is acting? That is equal to mu times n, and we substitute the values of mu and mass times g, we get 7.6 times 10 to the power 3 Newton. N is the normal force, so mass times gravity times mu gives us the frictional force that is acting. Now, this frictional force is providing the centripetal force mv squared by r. So, we equate the centripetal force formula mv squared by r with the force of friction that we evaluated. And solving, we are going to get v squared is fr upon m, or v is equal to square root of fr upon m. And just substitute the values and we get, so square root of 7.6 times 10 to the power 3 times 95 the radius over 1100, which solves to give us 26 meters per second as the maximum velocity.